In this video, I'll guide you through how to overlay videos in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app. You can either start a new project or open an existing one. Now that we have our background video in the timeline, make sure it's not selected. You can tell if it's selected by looking for the highlighted outline around it. To deselect, simply tap the back button in the bottom left corner. Next, go to the bottom menu in CapCut and tap Overlay. Then, select Add Overlay. This will open your camera roll. Choose the video you want as the overlay or foreground and tap Add. Once the overlay video appears on the preview screen, you can resize and position it. To do this, make sure it's selected. Look for the green outline around the video in the preview. Now, use two fingers to pinch and resize it, or drag it to where you want. Note that you can add more layers by tapping Overlay again and selecting Add Overlay. CapCut allows multiple overlays, so you could add more videos, text, or images as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a video overlay in CapCut.